Recording.
Man, they got me on it. They got me on it. If you're new to the channel, Indian Challenger, I love it. I own a Pursuit, which is very similar to a Challenger, just tour edition. The windshields go up and down like this. They have ride modes. They have traction control. They have lean capability. They have a 108 cubic inch motor that that stock at the crank produces like 122 horsepower, 128 feet-pounds of torque. That's at the crank, not normally what makes it to the wheel. This does have performance cams in it. I don't know what this produces, but it's probably, it probably raises those numbers, 5 to 10%, depending on torque or horsepower. Oh, you guys, I'm on Steve Chamberlain's freaking Challenger. Look how sick this is. I cannot believe it. All right, real quick review. I just got on it. So 2023, hang on, let me turn this off just because that's bugging me. All right, here we go, and I'm going to jump on it. But I want to introduce you guys. Steve Chamberlain's 2023 Indian Challenger, and real quick, what has he done to it? He's done the Baja light, he's done the FTR fender. Can't remember who made the wheel, but somebody made a wheel. He has prior performance floorboards. He has the adjustable shift levers. He has, I don't even remember what these are, some kind of really sweet mirrors that are actually polished aluminum. He has the Barnstorm kit. He has the risers, or the T-bars. He has the 2-inch lift. ForeverRad made this. He has the ForeverRad here. Hinges. He also has carbon fiber rear fairing. Make sure those are closed. Is stage 2 Indian motorcycle cams. He has Behringer master cylinder, which, by the way, they do feel really good. They did say they was going to like that. God dang it. All right, I've only rode a mile or two. Let's go ride. Oh yeah, is this CMP? I'm not sure who his exhaust is, but he also has a custom exhaust or aftermarket exhaust. God, it sounds good. First time I've ever rode a bike that has the Barnstorm kit and T-bars. And damn it, it does. I rode it for like a couple of miles only, and it does feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I don't mind. I'm wondering what it would feel like. Like, how would this feel with my? I don't really hate it though either. I don't hate even the Barnstorm kit. It is a little weird having like a dash like that, but it does feel. I feel comfy. I feel comfy on it. Wow. I'm driving. So there might be moments of quietness. It's only because there's so much to take in. With the performance, right? With the suspension changes, the brake changes. This one does have the Galford rotors. I have those on my Pursuit now. Gosh dang it. I kind of like it. And I mean that in a very good way. All right, we're gonna turn on County Road Y here. What a beautiful night. Oh man, what a beautiful night. You can tell he's a little taller than me. The mirrors are not quite right. There we go. Feels good. Feels good. Wonder if I can turn around right here. Oh, I can for sure. Not even drop. It's not even dropping in. Like, yeah, it's crazy. All right, guys. I haven't been talking because I've been thinking, but you know what? So I just took those corners, and they were super chill corners, and I wasn't going fast, but I could tell that I wasn't even like even close to making a dent in the lean angle that this bike has. I never felt close. I am I'm 6 foot with a 34 inseam, and I 100% can flat foot this bike at a stop sign. If my legs are, all the way close to me and I'm not trying to like really spread them out. Yeah, I know I didn't talk a lot because first of all, I'm trying to convince myself what a white Pursuit would look like with a Barnstorm kit and freaking T-bars. And I also, in my head, is thinking about the Behringer Master Cylinder that I like it a lot. I do. It squeezes really good. So those are the things I'm thinking about. Other than that, I mean, I already knew it would run good, right? Like, if you're new to the channel, Indian Challenger, I love it. I own a Pursuit, which is very similar to a Challenger, just tour edition. The windshields go up and down like this. They have ride modes. They have traction control. They have lean capability. They have a 108 cubic inch motor that that stock at the crank produces like 122 horsepower, 128 feet-pounds of torque. That's at the crank, not normally what makes it to the wheel. This does have performance cams in it. I don't know what this produces, but it's probably, it probably raises those numbers, 5 to 10% depending on torque or horsepower. That is a really quick glimpse of what the Indian Challenger is, but this is the ForeverRad Indian Challenger. Steve Chamberlain, you guys might know him from the Bagger Racing League or even YouTube, but he's a bike builder and motorcycle racer. Oh, here it is. Oh, it showed up, the green one. Wow. Ugh. If you guys are just tuning in for the first time, I'm at ForeverRad here in Missouri, and he builds custom motorcycles, and he's on Challenger number 4. 1, 2, 3 is done, and there's the next build there. Or no, 4. This one 5. This one is done too. This one's his. I haven't even looked at it yet. So I tell you what, you need to go to my channel, and where I visit with Kyle from ForeverRad, and I talk about these bikes and him as a person. And yeah, holy crap, I don't know what to say really. You guys are gonna just have to decipher what I think about a 2-inch lift kit with T-bars. And the brakes are great. I'm gonna say it right now. The brakes are great. Lean angle's awesome. I really did like it. Yeah. Dang it. Yeah. Did you guys know my PayPal me is Ridingfish? Till next time, ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace.